Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, just quick look at the 4-hour chart before we dive into the micro patterns to check if there are any changes, any updates. Overall, the 4-hour chart remains unchanged. So we have a 5-wave move up from the June low last year into the highs of March this year, where the price topped around 80 cents. 5-wave up, 5-wave move to the upside in what I consider a diagonal pattern. It's a 5-wave move, which indicates the trend could be up, and then we've been watching for a corrective pullback to finish, ideally before breaking below the 29-cent level, because that's the key support for a bullish scenario. The 78.6 retracement is the 29-cent level, and any break below that would put us rather into, yeah, I did say it before, you know, like no man's land, because any break below that level is too deep, yeah, or the pullback would be too deep. The correction would be too deep for a wave 2. So the idea is that this here would be a wave 2 correction, which might have bottomed on the 5th of July. If it's a wave 2 to the downside, then a 3rd wave rally to the upside could follow. And we're waiting for first evidence that we really have a reversal here. Again, the yellow box is where we are watching for a reversal. We have an initial rally from the 5th of July into the 17th of July high, 18th of July high, where the price topped at around 45.7 cents. That's also the level that now needs to be broken to the upside to, let's say, confirm that a 3rd wave to the upside is unfolding here. Yeah, so it should be wave 1, pullback wave 2, somewhere here a reversal would be ideal, and then a 3rd wave could take us to 64 cents plus, then another 4-5 pattern, and we have the next 5-wave pattern to the upside completed. It's all about the 5 waves. This is a complete Elliott wave cycle. After 5 waves, in this case to the upside, we are watching for a 3-wave corrective pullback, which should lead to a higher low. In the very short term, however, we have this wave 2 support area. Don't get confused between this smaller support area and the larger one. So the larger one is for this larger wave 2 with support down to 29 cents, and the invalidation point is around 21.5 cents. In the short term, just looking at this local setup where we have a possible 5-wave move up on the micro level here into that 17th of July high. Well, by the way, this is a questionable 5-wave move up only, so I don't fully trust it. But just for this local setup, the 34.5 cent level is support. And that means we have 2 areas of support, one for the larger time frame or degree, one for the smaller degree, 34.5 cents, then 35.9 cents, 36.7 and 38.3 cents are the next micro support levels. Here you can watch for potential reactions, for potential support. And yeah, I mean, at the moment it looks a little bit more likely, I think, that we get here an A, B, and then maybe a C wave down, targeting 35.9 cents. That's at least one key scenario where the price would reach the 100% extension of the initial A wave down in this correction. In another scenario, we already bottomed in the wave 2, and then this here is a wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside, but we would need a pretty immediate turnaround to the upside. First of all, a break above 42.9 cents. And then a break above the 45.7 cent level to confirm further that we're breaking out to the upside more directly. So these are all the key levels. That means in very simple terms, we can be more directly bullish against 34.5 cents, or at least I'm watching for support in this region here, in this wave 2 support area. But below 34.5 cents, I will assume the reversal attempt that started on the 5th of July. If it's a successful reversal or not will have to be seen, but below that 34.5 cent level, I assume that the reversal attempt has failed and the price might need to reset the larger wave 2, which presumably bottomed on the 5th of July. The market will need to reset that a little bit lower. And then from 29 cents, there could be another attempt for a reversal. So not too much exciting price action at the moment here, but that could change soon once we get a break above that 45.7 cent level. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.